The Xiaomi Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is an upcoming smartphone that promises to deliver a blend of high-end features and performance. It is expected to feature a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, providing vibrant visuals and smooth interactions. The device is anticipated to be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 1 processor, coupled with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, ensuring efficient multitasking and ample space for apps and media. Photography enthusiasts can look forward to a versatile camera setup, including a 108MP main sensor, an 8MP ultra-wide lens, and a 2MP depth sensor, while a 32MP front camera will cater to high-quality selfies. The smartphone is expected to house a 5000 mAh battery supporting 67W fast charging, allowing for extended usage with minimal downtime. Additionally, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus is likely to run on Android 13 with Xiaomi's MIUI 15 skin, offering a user-friendly interface and the latest software features. With an anticipated price starting at 28,999 Indian rupees in India, the Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus aims to provide a premium smartphone experience at a competitive price point.